What's up, Illinoisans? It's Lester Gray with Tron Roofing. Have you thought about replacing your roof? The challenge is that it can cost so much money. It can cost anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000 to $40,000 to get your roof replaced. We recently had a customer reach out to us. He was budgeting $15,000 for his roof. He, like 70% of all Illinoisans, had hidden hail and wind damage on his roof. Didn't even know about it. Because we do a free inspection, we were able to find that out, and we got his whole entire roof replaced for free. Typically, you even have a deductible that you have to pay, $500 to $1,000 or more dollars. We were able to get the whole thing covered. On top of that, we painted his deck and got him new gutters. If you are interested in seeing if you would qualify to get your whole entire roof replaced for free, reach out to us. It's a free service that we offer to you. And if you're interested, just enter your information in the link below. We'll get you taken care of.